Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stake with Binance. All right. So staking on Binance is done through the earn section. Okay. So we go ahead over to earn right here at the very top, hover over it, and now just go ahead and click on simple earn. This one is for a flexible or locked staking options. Okay. So people can earn rewards by depositing supported proof or proof of stake tokens. For example, Sol, Ethereum, BNB, and so on and so forth. So you will have to commit them for specific terms, for example, 30 to 120 days, okay, for higher fixed rate yields, or choosing flexible terms for lower but accessible yields. So once we are in here, under simple earn, okay, we basically need to look for a crypto and a plan. So for example, I would like to find Solana. This one. I'm going to click on it. Now you have the duration right here. It could be flexible or locked. Locked means higher interest and fixed duration. Flexible means lower interest and daily liquidity. So basically select one of these options. Now scroll down and you will have these results. Here you have the APR and the duration. Okay, for example, like this one. So all you got to do is just click on subscribe. And then the next page, hit on confirm. You basically need to enter the amount you wish to stake. For example, right here, enter the amount, maybe max my Sol right here. Review the annual percentage yield or APY, okay, and a lockup period. And just click on next and confirm. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you stake with Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.